Hello everyone, my name is Dheeraj Sharma and welcome to Quantica Education Services Private Limited. In today's session I am going to take you through the general aptitude question which appeared in GATE 2018 in ECE stream. The exam for GATE 2018 for ECE was conducted on 10th of February and in general aptitude section there were total of 10 questions. 5 of them were there from quantitative aptitude and 5 from verbal ability. If I talk about the level of difficulty of these questions, they were simpler this year. So the level was from easy to moderate, and achieving 12 to 13 marks out of 15 was not a very difficult task, provided you would have done good preparation before going for this exam. So these are memory based questions which we have accumulated by talking to students who have appeared in this exam. So I'll take you through the questions which were there in this section. So the first question was there from ratios. The question goes like this. A and B are two alloys of gold and copper. In alloy A, the ratio of gold to copper is 2:3, and in alloy B, the ratio of gold to copper is 3:7. If both the alloy A and B, they are mixed in equal proportion to create alloy C, then what is going to be the gold to copper ratio in alloy C which is formed? So it is important for you to understand that both alloy A and B, they are mixed in equal proportion. So the equal quantity of both A and B are getting mixed. So there are different ways of doing this. The easiest could have been, if you look at this question, then alloy A, if it contains gold to copper as 2:3 ratio, then that means there are 2 parts of gold and 3 parts of copper. That means there are total of 5 parts, out of which 2 is gold and 3 is copper. Similarly, if I talk about alloy B, the ratio of gold to copper is 3:7. That means 3 parts of gold and 7 parts of copper. So total is nothing but 10 parts. Out of 10, 3 is gold and 7 is copper. Now it is given that both alloy A and B, they are mixed in equal proportion. So assume that this quantity which is the equal quantity is a multiple of 5 and 10, which is the equal parts that we are talking about. So it comes out to be 10 kg each. So total that we are mixing of A and B is 10 kg each. So alloy C will be of 20 kgs. Now gold to copper in alloy A is 2:3. So the gold proportion to total will be 2/5 of 10, which is 4 kg, which will be there in C now. Similarly, gold to copper from B, as in B is 3:7, so gold to total will come out to be 3/10 of 10, which is 3 kgs. So in C, there will be total of gold which will be of 4 plus 3, that is 7 kgs, and C is of 20 kgs. So out of 20 kgs of C, if 7 kg is gold, so the remaining 13 will be nothing but copper. That means gold to copper in alloy C will come out to be equal to 7:13. So it's a doable question. Anyone who is comfortable with ratios can do it very easily within a time frame of 1 minute. Similarly, if I move ahead, the second question was from series. The series was something on these lines. You're supposed to find the value of n, summation of n, where n is equal to 1 plus 1/4 plus 1/16 plus 1/64 plus 1/256 and going up till infinity. So if you look at the series, this is going up till infinity, but there's one good thing that you can very easily analyze, and that is that this is a series which is in geometric progression. Why this is in geometric progression? Because geometric progression is a series or is a progression wherein the common ratio between two consecutive terms is constant. So in this case, if you talk about first and second term, the common ratio is 1/4. Second and third, the common ratio again is 1/4. Third and fourth, again the common ratio is 1/4. So this is a series which is in geometric progression, and this is going up till infinity. And we know that sum of the numbers in GP till infinity is given by A over 1 minus R, where A is the first term and R is the common ratio. The first term of this series is 1 and the common ratio is 1/4. Now it's a simple case of plug and play. You simply need to plug in the value of A and R in A over 1 minus R, and that will give you your answer as 4/3. Again a doable question, provided you know the formula for sum of numbers in GP till infinity. So within 1 minute you can very easily do this question. Similarly, If I talk about another question from this set, which was on geometry, you read this question. A man of height 1.5 meters standing at a distance of 3 meters from a lamppost. There is a lamppost and man is standing 3 meters from this lamppost, and the height of man is given to you as 1.5 meters. The light from lamp on the top of the lamppost. There is a lamp on the top of the lamppost, and the light from that lamppost casts a shadow of man on the ground, such that the length of the shadow is twice the height of the man. So if the height of the man is 1.5 meters, the height of the length of the shadow will be twice that of height of man. That means it will be of 3 meters. And what you were supposed to find, it is not there written here. The unknown thing which you were supposed to find was nothing but the height of the lamppost. So if you look at this, what is given in the question, AB is nothing but the height of the pole. PQ is nothing but the height of the man. Let's assume that the height of the pole is x meters. Man, PQ, is standing 3 meters from the pole, and the shadow of man is QC, which will be again 3 meters, because the height of the man is 1.5 and the length of the shadow is twice that of height of the man. So if you look at this, you can very easily analyze that this is a case of similar triangles. ABC is a triangle which is similar to triangle PQC. So if you look at this, you can find that applying the concept of similar triangles in these two triangles, you can write that AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QC. So now you simply need to plug in the values in this formula. So AB is equal to nothing but the height of the pole, which is x, divided by PC, which is 6. PQ is height of the man, which is 1.5, divided by QC, which is 3, will give you the value of unknown, which is x, which is height of the pole. That will come out to be equal to 3 meters. So this is also an achievable question if you were able to apply the concept of similar triangles in this question. Similarly, let's move on to the next question, which was from number system. This is again a simple question. You were given n, which was equal to 715A423, and it is given that n is divisible by 3. You were supposed to find the minimum value of A so that n becomes divisible by 3. Now this is based upon divisibility rule of 3. Now you know that the divisibility rule of 3 is that summation of all the numbers, for a number to be divisible by 3, the summation of all the digits should be divisible by 3. So the digits of n, if you add them, will come out to be equal to 7 plus 1 plus 5 plus a plus 4 plus 2 plus 3, which is 22 plus a. Now 22, if what is to be added to 22, the smallest value, so that it becomes divisible by 3. So we know that 24 is divisible by 3, so the value of a will directly come out to be equal to nothing but 2. Again a very simple question, provided you know the divisibility rule of 3, and I am very sure that you must be knowing the rule. So this, as I told you, that this was a simple general aptitude question that have appeared in this. We have been discussing a lot of questions from general aptitude from various sections or various streams of GATE 2018. So in case you have any queries, you can directly get in touch with us, and keep on subscribing to our YouTube channel in case you want to be updated regarding all these things. Thank you so much and all the best.